Hello all, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see the floor plan. The length is 74 feet 3 inches and width is 34 feet 6 inches. Total party area is 2562 square feet and built-up area is 702 square feet. So road is available in the north side and main door is facing east side. So in the northeast side there is a parking area in the size of 23 feet 3 inch by 12 feet. In southeast corner there is a lift 6 by 6 and the south side staircase is available. After entering the main door, the living cum dining space is available in the size of 23 feet by 8 feet, and kitchen is the size of 11 feet by 9 feet 6 inches. It's in the southeast corner. Uh, Here, stove is in the east side and the sink in the northeast corner. This is two bedroom. The master bedroom size is 17 feet 17 feet by 9 feet 6 inches, and kids bedroom size is 11 by 8, and common toilet is 5 by 9 6. So after getting to the first floor, here also two bedroom with one attached and common. Sorry, three bedroom is here. Okay. This is north facing. Same lift is available in the southeast side and the balcony is 12 feet by 16 feet 6 inches. And another north side balcony space is 15 feet 3 inches by 4 feet 6 inches. So after entering the living main door, there is a living cum dining in the size of 23 feet by 8 feet. And in the northeast corner, parents' bedroom is available in the size of 10 by 11. And in the south side, there is a kitchen 8 by 9 feet 6 inches. Near the kitchen, there is a common toilet in the size of 3 feet 9 inches by 9 feet 6 inches. And master bedroom size is 17 feet by 9 feet 6 inches, and attached toilet 4 feet by 9 feet 6 inches. And kids bedroom 11 by 8. And then outer balcony 4 feet 6 inches by 19 feet. This is 2 BHK bedroom. So here the beds are available in the south side and the wardrobe is placed in the west wall, southwest corner. So this is G plus 1 floor plan. If you need a floor plan like this for your plot area, you can check out our website houseplans.com and houseplans.org. Also, our apps are available in the Google Play Store. House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Planist and Designist. So, if anyone interested to learn how to make a house plan as per Vastu Shastra, you can contact us. We are taking a 30 days online class with the e-certification. We will teach you how to make house plans as per Vastu, and by using this skill, how to start your business. We will give you an idea. So, if interested, contact us. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.